Today, we travelled about an hour east of Phnom Penh, along the Mekong River, to visit two local communities with AHA. These are close-knit communities along the Mekong, and it was wonderful to spend the day meeting families and supporting the local community. Our team provided eye health screening and triage, identifying people who needed further treatment or surgery, with those patients being referred to our ophthalmology clinic. We also visited a local school where we provided families with essential food packs and brought toys and a little extra joy to the kids. It was an incredible day of healthcare, support and connection, and a reminder of the difference that can be made when people come together to help. We're incredibly proud to be here as part of AHA's work in Cambodia.